Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil at Trading Capital Markets. Today we are the 22nd of July, 2025, and we're currently 8:54 a.m. Let's do a little Nasdaq pre-market analysis. All right, so New York lunch took out the uh, New York PM session took out the New York lunch high and low, and after that, Asia took out New York PM low. The only lows that are left is Asia high and London high, with these obviously these equal highs up top over here, left by the PM, New York PM and AM. Let's take this kill zone off. That's good. And we went in the final big fair value gap, consequent encroachment on the minute chart right here. So that's nice to see. What else? We have this liquidity over here, relative equal highs. That's going to be buy side. Okay, so that's buy side. We could take, that's the 1618 extension over here, by the way, guys. That of this down move from there to here. That's the 1618, and this is the 2. Okay, the 2 extension on the Fibonacci retracement tool. What else? Let's see. Let's see what can we possibly attack this morning. This morning as liquidity. Definitely over here. That's for sure. Buy side right here. Buy side over here. So that's where we're at, and sell side. We have this fair value gap over here that has been left open. What else? Maybe on a bigger time frame. To me, it's looking pretty bullish. It's keeping the same pace of increase. I mean, we'll see. I have it on the 5-minute. That little fair value gap starts over here. It's in a balanced price range, which is nice. It's gonna be a nice place to check out some buys if ever we drop into that zone. I like how it did a lower low on the right than on the left, and then expanded higher with a fair value gap, because these are the types of lows that usually give way to expansions higher. not a lower low on the left, rather a lower low on the right than on the left. What else? What else can we see? Let's do a little market structure exercise. See if it's clean on the 1 minute. Okay, so where do we start from? Let's start from like London. London over here. Okay. And London starts at 2 if I'm correct. Yeah, 2 o'clock. Right, 2. Good stuff. Make it a little bit bigger. All right, so this is the low that I made at 2, starting that London session. Over here we had no bodies breaking above really. This is the only one. Bodies breaking above, which made a swing high. After that, dip down. No new high. This didn't break below. New high. Low. New high. But that's not really the high because they're equal highs. We need a swing high, which is this high over here. There you go. After that, over here. Didn't break this low. So this is first low. First swing point. Swing low. Breaking this one. After that, we come back. Over here. After hitting this last fair value gap. Swing low. Come back up here to this swing high. So now, because of this scenario over here, we could have been keeping an eye out on maybe a bullish scenario being in the development, because here was the first disrespect of market structure, right? Should have closed over here, stopped here, and then continued lower, and then we would have had maybe some more bearish price action in this section, but we didn't do that, so we disrespected these highs, and then we came up one shot lower to come to come get the consequent encroachment of that last 1 minute fair value gap over here. Okay, and now yeah, after disrespecting that market structure, it was kind of like a sign that it would start reversing. So let's check it out. And you can see a bullish price action start building right here. So this, I'm not touching it. This is the high we went from, because this high created this new low. This we're not touching it, even if it went below. The bodies did not close below these bodies. So the highest one is this one, lowest point. This one, lowest point. This one's higher, lowest point, and now we're still building up. Probably gonna come take this before the open. The opens have been pretty strong lately. pretty strong lately. They've been pumping up really hard. Like like look at this. 9:30, boom, blast it up. Let's go back again. 9:30. This was a bit choppy. Then we go here. 9:30. Right here. Boom. Blast it up. After that, let's go back again. Let's go back again. So this 9:30 open. Over here. Down. Consolidation. Went back up to the open. Dropped a little lower. Finished the day. Higher. So I mean, the market's pretty strong in a way. Here. That's the other ones. 9:30. 9:30 open, which is here. Came back to the 9:30 open, created a new high. Right, hit this hit this order block, hopped right in, expanded. All right, and expanded a lot from there. The most random pump right here at 9:41 or 9:39 p.m. So yeah, let's go back to the chart. Set some parameters. So below this, I'm going to be seeing if we take below this low, these relative equal lows. I'm going to see if we're going to be creating more bearish fair value gaps or types of formations that indicate we go lower. And above this high, I'm going to be watching to see if this high sorry, is going to be it's going to be creating support for price after breaking this one, breaking and closing above, obviously. So because the first high over here is about to get attacked, like I said before the open, this one's going to be taken for sure. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this pre-market Nasdaq analysis, and yeah, catch you on the flip side, 9:30 a.m. live. Peace.